In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Figma on Windows and Mac. We'll walk through the official download, installation, and first launch on both platforms. Let's start on Windows. Open your browser and head to the official Figma downloads page. On that page, click the button labeled Windows to download the installer. Your browser will save a file with an .exe extension. When the download finishes, open it from your browser's downloads bar or from your downloads folder to begin the setup. The installer may take a moment to initialize. And you'll then see on screen prompts. Follow those prompts to complete the installation. Here is nothing unusual here. Allow the installer to place Figma where it recommends. When the process finishes, Figma will launch automatically. It will ask you to sign in through your web browser so it can securely connect your desktop app to your account. Approve the sign-in and you'll be brought back to the app. Ready to work. As a quick convenience tip, right-click the Figma icon on your taskbar and choose the option to pin it. That way, it stays easy to access even after you close it. Now for macOS. Go to the same official Figma downloads page and click the macOS download button. Your Mac will save a disk image file with a .dmg extension. Double-click that file to open it, and you'll see a window with the Figma app icon. Drag the Figma icon into your Applications folder. This step actually installs the app. Running it directly from the disk image won't keep it on your Mac after you eject it. So dragging it to Applications is important. Once it's copied, open Figma from your Applications folder or Launchpad. On first launch, you'll be prompted to log in so the app can connect to your account. Similar to Windows, make sure you are running macOS 12 or later for compatibility, as older versions may not support the app. That's it. Thanks for watching.